Forward.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, Mum.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination.
Turn it up! Step forward. Welcome to Step Forward, the spoken word podcast where AI meets creativity and reflection. This is Talk to Dee Book. I carry the work that asks the author the questions. In Ep.7, we explore one-sided love, performed by reggae artist Tena B and written by my guest, Mycall Isrell. This episode speaks to anyone who has ever stayed too long, hoped too hard, and questioned their worth in love. Sometimes, it's not that love is missing. If this resonates, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is Talk to Dee Book. Until we meet again, stay with the work.